Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option to choose for tomorrow. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty faced a kind of huge drop during the second half of the day, and how it is going to impact your tomorrow's trade and how this expiry is going to be. All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty on a 5-minute chart, we discussed, like, I expected this fall, but during the morning session, as I discussed, if it trades above 10,200, you can exercise call option. So it just dropped during the kind of opening session and then gained a momentum and started trading around 10 o'clock. From this 10,200, it traded up to this 10,100, which gave a kind of very good return with this call option 10,150 CE, around 62 points, which is from the opening. But if you go consider the low, it traded somewhere around 100 rupees or something, and it gave a very good return of around 60 to 90 rupees profit. And from there, from 10,300, it just started falling down, and went to a level almost closer to this 10,000 mark, and closed at the range of 10,046. And this PE, which gave a kind of very good return, almost a kind of 100 rupees return during the throughout the day, and it was a kind of huge profit for the day out. And this is how it looks like, and what you can expect tomorrow. Let us discuss short while, before which we will see how the bank nifty is also the same, just kind of small gap up opening and then dropped and took a support at this 21,000 mark, and then started rising around 500 points, which gave this CE almost a kind of 100-200 points gain. 21,200 CE, almost 200 to 250 points gain from this kind of low, which was around 300-350 rupees when it dropped up to this 21,000 mark. And during the second half of the day, this put option from this 21,500, it dropped up to 20,600 to 700 mark, which gave a kind of huge return of around 900. I picked up around 300 rupees, which is 21,400 PE, which was at around 400 rupees, and then reached a high of 900 rupees. So almost a 500 rupees profit from this peak of the day. So this was the kind of how the Nifty and Bank Nifty looked throughout the day out. And what is there for tomorrow? On a daily candlestick, you can see Nifty, if it breaches this 10,000 mark, it's a kind of very weak below 10,000. And on the option chain also, you can see there is no much support at 10,000 mark, so it can easily breach. But you can see this unwinding also, like around 1,50,000 contract has been squared off at this 10,000 level, so which indicates that is a small weakness at this 10,000 mark. So tomorrow, for Nifty, if it trade below 10,000 mark, you can exercise 10,000 put call. If it trades below 10,000 mark, you can exercise 10,000 put option or 10,050 put option. And if it trades above 10,100 mark, you can exercise call option only if it trades above 10,100 mark, which is having a kind of very good resistance at this level. If it crosses this resistance, you can trade this call option. Otherwise, go ahead with put option, and stop loss will be the same on call option side. If it crosses below 10,000, you have to exit your call option, and on the put option side, if it crosses about 10,100, you have to exit your put option. Hope it is very clear. And the same thing for bank nifty. So bank nifty on a chart, if you look, this 20,500 will act as a kind of major resistance tomorrow, which is having a close to 4 lakh contract at this level. But on the support side, the unwinding, you can see a lot of unwinding is taking place, whereas on the resistance side, there is a kind of build up is happening, and especially at this 21,000 mark. So tomorrow, if it crosses above this 20,800 mark, you can exercise call option side, and your stop loss will be 20,700. If it crosses 20,700, you can exit your call option. And if it trades below 20,700 to 20,600, you can exercise put option. Otherwise, just hold for the day, leave first 5 to 10 minutes time, and then based on the momentum and based on the levels, you can pick up your levels. So let me summarize for tomorrow. Nifty, if it trades below 10,000 level, exercise put option 10,000 or 10,050 put option, and your stop loss will be 10,100. And on the same, if it reverses and if it trades about 10,100, you can exercise call option, which will be like 10,050 or 10,100 call option, and for the same the stop loss will be 10,000 at spot level. And for bank nifty, if it trades about 20,800, you can go ahead with call option, and you can expect it to reach around 21,000 mark, where it might face some kind of resistance and it might fall back. So if it trades about 20,800, you can exercise 20,700 call option, and your stop loss will be 20,700 to 600. If it crosses below 20,600, you can exit your call option. And on the same side, if it reverses and if it goes down below 20,700 to 600, you can exercise this put option, and your stop will be 20,800 mark. Okay, how to analyze the charts and how to take these kind of levels, all these things will be kind of explained in this Trade Like a Pro program, which is nothing but TLB program. And if you are interested, you can join in this session and you can get benefit. And all the other details like offers and all the other details will be shared in my kind of Telegram or my WhatsApp number, which is given in the description. Please do refer to your friends and help me to grow this bigger one. All the very best and have a profitable trading day tomorrow. Thank you very much.